Well, it's a wrap on the practical approach to business transformation, the Cross-Canada Roadshow that Ronnie, myself, and Wade executed over the last 10 days. The attendance was phenomenal, and we really want to reach out and thank each of you for investing the time to join us.
Thanks, Mark. So we're going to do the draw as promised for the upcoming Business Transformation Workshop that Wade's going to run. So I'm just going to share my screen, and we're going to share that content with you. So thank you again from all of us for your attendance at the conference, and from all of the people who are in place. I'm now going to run the shuffle. And the number is 58, and that is Bob Woodhouse from RGF Integration by the looks, and we'll contact and reach out to you with the information.
Based on the overwhelming success of the roadshow, which we delivered as an in-person event, and all the feedback we've got from our partners and many customers that attended, we thought it would be great to offer this as a webinar on December 5th. So we're excited to announce that the details will be shared with you shortly, and the link below on how you can attend the webinar on December 6th for those that were not able to attend the in-person event. So we're excited to be able to offer you one more time the opportunity to do business transformation. Thank you very much.
Bye all.